Are you sure you just love animals? What if I told you that you're a different kind of person? Scientists have discovered that the brains of some people are literally reprogrammed to choose animals over humans, forming a unique emotional connection. Yes, many people say they love pets, but only a special category of individuals have a personality that makes them unable to live without them. For them, it's not just a pet, it's a part of their soul, a child they have chosen with their hearts. Research confirms approximately 12% of the population have genetic mutations that enhance empathy specifically for animals. This is not a pathology or simply an increased sensitivity, but rather a unique way of perceiving the world where the neural circuits of the brain react to animals in the same way that an ordinary person reacts to loved ones. These individuals not only take care of their pets, but they also hear them without words, understand the slightest changes in their behavior, and feel their emotions on an intuitive level. Their psyche is set up differently. For them, a cat can become closer than a brother, and a dog's loyalty can mean more than the opinion of the entire family. Do you feel the same way? Do you hear your pet's inner voice? Do you understand them without words? If so, you might be one of those whose brains work differently. Only the chosen ones will be answered.
Wala siyang kalaro. Yan. Yan si Tulpo. Yan yung paa niya. Awa naman. Tulpo! Psst! Tulpo! Ayan o. Awa naman si Tulpo. Yung paa. Ayan o. Ayan o. Walang paa. Ayun o. Agad o. Kulit o. Tulps! Ayun o. Kulit o. Mupagot ba na siya? Ayun o. Kulit o. Parang yata ito. Pipi yata ito si Tulpo eh. Ayan si Tulpo guys, malaki na. Yan si Tulpo. Malikot na, ayun o, malikot o. Ayun o. Ayan si Tulpo. Gusto nang gumala. Tulpo! Ganyan siya. Ang kulit o. Gusto nang gumala ni Tulpo.